today I'll be teaching you how to sell your ebooks online, how to make money from selling your ebooks. Okay, all you need to do is to write on an idea you are good at, write on something you are knowledgeable about. It can be on a skill, it can be on an idea or whatever it is you have knowledge on, whatever it is you are good at, or you really want to teach people, you can write on that. So how do you sell? Where do you sell? The first thing you need to do is to go to selar.co. Okay, selar.co. I already have an account with them, so I will just log in or log into my Selar dashboard. So this is my dashboard. Okay, and all you need to do is to add products. Okay, you click on the add products here. Let's click on the add products. Okay guys, so you can upload a physical product, a digital product, or a ticket, whatever you want to upload. It can be a course, but this course is on a pro plan. You can upload video courses, whatever it is you want to sell on selar.co. all right, so this is my account and I'm already logged in. Okay, so let's upload a digital product. Let's upload an ebook that people can actually buy. So now this is the page it will bring out. So the first thing you need to do is to upload the image of your ebook. In the last video on ebooks, I showed you how to create a cover page, for an ebook, but in selar.co they require 300 by 300 pixel. Okay, it requires 300 by 300 pixel. Okay, they won't take anything other than that. So what you need to do, if you don't have Canva Pro plan that could enable you reduce the pixel size, you can go to Resize Photos on Google. Resize Pictures. Click on this Pick Resize. Click on it. Then it will take you to this page where you just put in the 2D picture you want to resize to 300 by 300 here. Select. Then you look for the file you want to resize. This is the book cover we want to resize. Double click. Then continue to edit picture. It's a free website for resizing pictures. Okay guys, it's free. They don't charge anything at all. So it loads up. Yep, so once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to choose the pixel size you want. You come to this column over here, click on it, then click on custom size, then click on the width option, input 300. You come to the height and input 300. Then you click I'm done, resize my picture, and they will go ahead to resize your picture immediately. You can view the image. Here it is, that been resized. So this is what Selar wants us to upload. So you then go back to Selar. Click on the drag box, click on this section, then you find your resized image, which is this over here. Double click on it. Okay, then you input the name of the product. The book title is how you can say cash out from dog drop shipping. Business. Okay, then come down here, pick the price, say 1000 naira. Okay, then you can put show strike out original price, and you can give them the idea that the initial price was 5000 but you are selling for 1000. So then you have to say something about the product. You just say let's say this, okay, sorry, this ebook will reveal how you can make money from the drop shipping from the comfort of your home. You don't need to own a dog or a kennel. All you need is just your phone and data. So let's dive in. So something like this, just write something short like an introduction that could usher them into the book. Okay, you don't need to be lengthy and all that. Then you have to choose a category. What is the book all about? Business. Choose a subcategory, e-commerce. Then this is digital products already. So do you want the file to be downloadable? It means after they pay, they'll be able to download the file to their own phone. Or do you want the file, the book to be read only online? So read online only, which means after they pay, they won't be able to download the file into their phone, but they'll be able to just read it online. So whenever they want to read it again, they have to come back into Selar to read it. So it's your choice. So let's leave it a downloadable file. Then you come to this point, to this place, and upload the file, the book itself. So go to get the book. So this is our book. Double click and you wait for it to load, to show. It's going to show a green dot here to show that it has uploaded. Okay, so wait a little bit. So that's the dot over there. So create product. Alright, so you wait for it to load. So they said success, congratulations, your product has been added. You can view it at this link. So this is the link. You have to copy this link out so that you can use it to upsell. Okay, you can put it up on your WhatsApp status or your Facebook pages, wherever it is you want to advertise this product. All right, so let's view the product on selar.com and see how it will be when someone else wants to view it or purchase that same product. So this is how it looks like. Okay, all right, this is how it looks like. This is the book. This is the write-up we made. Okay, this is the write-up we made. All right, and the book is 1000 naira. This is the strike price. It was 5000 naira. Okay, as I told you. So anybody who wants to purchase this book, you have to click on this place and buy now. I had already put in my bank details. At the point of registration, seller will ask you to put in your bank details before you add any product. So they've already linked that. So anybody who buys this product with their card will automatically send money into my account without me getting involved. All right, so the person can choose to buy 2 3 whatever amount he wants to um, purchase. All right, so also um, the person can choose to pay via bank transfer in case this does not work out. So guys, this is how to sell online, sell your ebooks online. Okay, so if you have this ebook and you sell it to 100 persons in a month, so you know what that means. Okay, you'll be making 100,000 naira each month if you are able to sell to 100 persons. So it's your responsibility to go market your book and redirect people to the link that will lead them to this page so that they can actually click on the buy now button and purchase the products. So that was all for today, guys. Subscribe and like.